That's what's up.
Yeah.
Not to walk, but run.
I did that last time.
Where? It's the gold at the very top.
Yeah.
That's how, Joe, you got to roll them.
I'm rolling it.
Show them how you do it. Tell you got to roll them.
I'm rolling it.
Joe, explain what you're doing right
Okay,
now.
so you gotta roll the mat back.
That's what's up. All right, boy.
That was a pretty big hole too.
Look like that moving better.
There we go. Some good gold coming out.
There's a whole bunch more up here.
Couple bullets in there. I'm a little lead shot.
Hopefully the nugget is in that jam.
Nah.
No, you got the nugget out of the hole.